Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear camera on the Samsung Galaxy A21s mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While pulling out the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint is attached to the back cover and the board. First, disconnect the fingerprint plug and then take out the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and undo 15 screws on the mid-frame. And then, using a plastic upright tool, create an opening to separate the mid-frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to separate the plastic clips. Next, take out the mid-frame and then disconnect the battery plug. And then, to pull out the logic board, undo the screw and then disconnect the main flex and the antenna head. Take out the logic board and disconnect the front camera on the top right. Next, disconnect the depth camera from the front and then disconnect the 3-in-1 camera unit from the rear side of the board. Apply a little pressure from the front to take out the camera module. Next, replace the required front or rear camera and place it on the logic board. Next, place the logic board in the body and secure the screw, battery plug, main ribbon and antenna head. Next, place the mid-frame in the body by adding 15 screws. Make sure to verify the clips have secured before adding screws. Next, take out the fingerprint sensor from the back cover. First, apply a little heat to soften the glue and then gently push to take out the flakes. Next, connect the fingerprint flakes to the logic board and then place the main back cover to the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.